Alright, today let's understand about Power BI templates, that is .pbit. Imagine a teacher sharing a blank exam paper that already has the questions printed but no answers filled in, just like what we get in the exam papers, like right in our school or colleges. Each student takes the same template and writes their own responses, making the structure identical but the content unique with their own answers, right? Power BI templates work the same way. They store the report layout, visuals and queries but leave out the actual data. When opened in Fabric, users connect to their own data sources, so everyone gets consistent design while keeping their data private. Let's meet in our next lecture.